Freshsales CRM tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will show you how you guys can get started with Freshsales CRM as a complete beginner. So firstly, come on to freshsalescrm.com, and then over here, this is the dashboard that you guys are going to be seeing. So scrolling down, you guys can see all the different benefits that Freshsales is going to help you to accelerate your revenue. So you guys will be able to close your deals faster with a 360-degree view of your customers. You can also improve seller effectiveness by streamlining your sales process. You can also reduce IT complexity and cost with a comprehensive solution. And of course, scrolling down even more, you also have the option to focus on the best leads. You can also generate more opportunities as well. And over here, you guys can also see that you can sell smarter and faster with Freshsales. So over here, you guys can see that they have 4 different plans. The first plan is absolutely free. The second one is going to be billed at $15 per user per month. The third one is going to be billed at $40 per user per month. And of course, the $69 is going to be billed at $69 per seat per month. And this is their enterprise plan. And this is their top-notch plan, which basically offers everything custom and of course the best of the best solutions. Now over here, you guys can also see all the different integrations that they offer. They offer Slack integration, Zapier integration, DocuSign, PandaDoc, PayPal, QuickBooks, Gmail as well. And all in all, they're a very good service. Now, taking a look at their products. So they offer 2 products. The first one is the Freshsales CRM, and the second one is the Freshsales Suite. You guys can choose to go with either of these. Then you have the option for the features over here, and of course the features are also endless. And you guys can get started with using this by clicking on sign up, and then after that, it's gonna ask you to basically sign up with Google or sign up with email. You guys can choose to sign up with either one of these, and you guys will get a 21-day free trial. And then after the trial ends, of course, you'll have to choose either one of those 4 plans. I would suggest you guys go with the free one until you guys are satisfied with this particular application. So once you guys have signed up, they're gonna guide you through everything, and you will be able to just basically learn more about the software in our more detailed reviews. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time, goodbye.